Hello friends, so already I have uploaded UPPGT physics solution from question number 1 to 92. So go through with my channel and check your answers. Now I am going to explain from question number 93 to 108. So here let us discuss from question number 93. When the plate voltage applied to a diode valve is changed from 48 volt to 50 volt, the plate current increases from 60 milliampere to 70 milliampere. What is the dynamic plate resistance of the diode? So as we are knowing, firstly we have to change out the change in voltage applied through the plate. So 50 volt minus 48 volt, so 2 volt, and del IP what has been current applied, change in current, that we are getting 10 milliampere. So convert it into the form of ampere, 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere, and RP is what? Del Vp upon del IP. So finally answer will be 200 ohm. 200 ohm. So correct option for the question number 93 is what? A. Now go through with question number 94. The wavelength of K alpha X-ray line of an element of atomic number Z is equal to 11 is lambda. The wavelength of K alpha X-ray line of another element of atomic number Z is 4 lambda. Then Z is what? So as we are knowing, under root V is equal to what? A Z minus B. So V is equal to A square Z minus B whole square. From here what we are getting? V can be written as C upon lambda, speed of light upon wavelength. So from this equation what we are getting? 1 by lambda is proportional to Z square. So from this we are getting this lambda 1 upon lambda 2 Z2 minus Z1 square upon Z1 minus 1 square. So by putting all these values, lambda 1 is what? Lambda, and lambda 2 is equal to 4 lambda. Z2 we are not knowing, we have to find out the value of Z2. Z2 minus 1, at the place of Z1 I have written 11, 11 minus 1 whole square. So finally answer is what? Z2 की value आ गई 6. So question number 94, answer will be what? Option C. Option C. 95. A Carnot cycle is represented on an entropy temperature diagram by which one of the following figure? First is correct option. It has been the question directly asked, which is directly asked. First option is the right option for question number 95. Come to the question number 96. What has been written here? What is the capacitance of the earth if it is assumed to be a spherical conductor of radius 6400 km? C is equal to what? 4 pi epsilon naught Kr. By putting all these values, finally we are getting the answer 711 mu microfarad. So answer will be what? A. 711 microfarad. Question number 97. The light from the sun has maximum intensity for the wavelength of 470 Newton meter. Assuming that the surface of the sun emits as a black body, calculate the temperature of the sun, where Wien's constant has been given 0.288 centimeter degree Kelvin. So as we are knowing, according to Wien, T lambda m is equal to what? B. So from here we will get temperature B upon lambda m, where B value of B has been already given in your question, and lambda m is also given. So by putting all these values, what we are getting? 6128 degree Kelvin. So correct answer will be C. Question number 98. A water drop of radius 10 to the power minus 2 m is broken into 1000 equal droplets. If the surface tension of water is 0.075 Newton per meter, the gain in surface energy will be, as we are knowing, del U is equal to what? Del A into S. Del A means A2 minus A1 into S. At the place of A2, A2 means what? Area of bigger droplet, and A2 means what? Area of all 1000 droplets, and A1 is what? Area of bigger one droplet. By putting all these values, since droplet is in the form of what? Sphere. So for this we will use 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. So firstly just start to find out the relation in between small r and capital R, where small r is radius of small droplets and capital R is bigger radius of bigger droplet. 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 1000, because this one has been broken up into 1000 equal pieces. So it will be like this, r is equal to 10 by r. At the place of a small r, what we will use in our question, r by 10. So by putting all these values, we are getting 36 pi r square s. So by 36 pi की जगह पे 3.14 and all these values rs. So finally answer will be 8.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 joule. So its correct option is what? 98 का correct option A है. Now come towards the question number 99. 99, what it has been asked? The gravitational field due to a mass distribution is given by E is equal to kx to the power minus 3 by 2 in x direction, where k is a positive constant taking gravitational potential to be 0 at infinity. Its value at a distance xh. As we are knowing, I is equal to what? E, and is equal to what? K upon x to the power 3 by 2. But x varies from where to where? X to infinite. So we will integrate it for finding I. So this one, after solution, we will get the answer 2k upon root x. So correct option is what? B. Question number 100. Directly asked question. The flux of the electric field strength through each of the faces of a closed cube of its length L, if a charge q is placed at its center, is q upon 6 epsilon naught. This is the directly asked question. So its correct option will be C. Question number 101. The source of solar energy is, so simple question, nuclear fusion reaction. All are knowing about this. Question number 101, correct option is B. Come towards question number 102. A tuning fork of frequency 260 Hz is vibrated with the sonometer wire and 5 beats are heard. If the tension in the wire is slightly increased, the beat frequency also increases. The original frequency of the sonometer is, as we are knowing, F2 minus F1 is equal to what? Plus minus 5. Original frequency, where F2 is original frequency and F1 is what? Change in frequency. Plus minus formula is what? F2 minus F1 is equal to plus minus 5. प्लस कब होगा और माइनस कब होगा? F2 is equal to F1 plus minus 5. प्लस कब होगा? जब बीट्स जो है वो डिक्रीज होंगे, बट हियर बीट्स इज इंक्रीजेज. सो F2 is equal to what? F1 minus 5. 260 minus 5, so finally 255 hertz. So correct option will be C. तो 102 का करेक्ट ऑप्शन हो गया C. कम टुवर्ड्स द क्वेश्चन नंबर 103. Two thin lenses of focal length plus 15 centimeter and minus 12 centimeter are placed in contact. The focal length of the combination lens will be, so firstly I am going to find out the power of the lenses. So for the first, plus 6.66, P2 minus 8.33, then power of combination of lenses, it will be minus 1.67. As we are knowing, focal length is equal to 1 upon P. But here P is in which form? Focal length has been taken in meters, so convert it into the form of centimeter. So finally, focal length minus 60 centimeter. So correct option is D. Question number 103, D. 104. If the focal length of objective lens is increased, then magnifying power of. This is the directly asked question. Microscope will increase बट द टेलीस्कोप डिक्रीज. पावर में माइक्रोस्कोप का क्या होता है? बढ़ता है, और टेलीस्कोप का क्या होता है? घटता है. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी ए. Come to the question number 105. The greatest length of a wire that can be stretched without breaking, given breaking stress is equal to 7.2 into 10 to the power 8 Newton per meter square, and density of wire has been given 7.8 into 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube. As we are knowing, length is equal to S upon rho z. By putting all these values, we are getting 9.4 kilometer. So its correct option will be C. 106. The potential energy U of a particle executing simple harmonic motion is. This is the question which has been directly asked. Ux is equal to what? 1 by 2 kx minus a whole square. So correct option will be what? C. Question number 107. The kinetic energy per unit volume of a perfect gas is equal to. As we are knowing, what? Pressure is equal to what? 2 by 3 of kinetic energy. So kinetic energy will be what? 3 by 2 times of pressure. So correct option will be B. 107 correct option. Okay friends, so after some time I will also upload question number from question number 108 to 125. So please check your answer till 107. मैं जल्द से जल्द 108 से लेके 125 तक का भी आंसर आप लोगों को अपलोड करती हूँ. सो तब तक आप 107 तक अपने आंसर मिलाएं और चेक करें कि आप कहाँ तक करेक्ट हैं. और Thank you so much.